Bring the warmth and well-being of fire into any room without the need of a hearth or mantel. You can have a Supreme freestanding fireplace installed in less than a day. Then enjoy a large, clear view of the fire that evening. The transitional style is easy to customize with oak or natural birch logs, your choice of interior panels, and accent lighting. A throw or decorative item placed in the pedestal base adds your personal touch. The Supreme is simple to use by touchscreen remote or wall switch. You can also operate it with your mobile device and the IntelliFire app, which allows voice control using your smart speakers. Moments like this are made around the fire. See your local authorized dealer today.